Yo watiefo anopa yi mechi obia na ama mo bibia akwaba me mo bia chi me ogidie ni ani da so se obia ho ye meda wase sa anopa yi wo begimbre na wahwe me meda wase me chia obiem me fa akwanya nso na ma chia Common Sense Family CSF efa akwanya nso echia me ankasa me boss Abraham Ben Moshe me wi na me dinchi akase ma IGP the man of the day, the man of the year, the man of the game. Me chiao IGP bia wo bia me salutu eni adumaten a wo ye den obo IGP the awasase ye no o twa esaba empenifor si ahonya edimpa eyese ne ahonyade IGP Ghana for yen yesi Ghana for no ma akon edi ama oman na fa ne ntuma pa afra no ye de wudin ayeden aka ho dachi bi IGP bebo wudin ye dase de ayesre ne se obekoso ayede agbo edwuma no saa obekoso agbo edwuma ne saa mesrew obaso a bombondre na kwamwa na share video na Ghana ni bia enya benya de enhwe em say for over many years and I yen started kase ya won krofo bi wo man mu a o ma ye o so mo ye adifo they pretend to be prophet of God, they claim they are prophet of God, they pretend and claim that they are the men chosen by God. You know, once upon a time we were using the Bible, we studied the Bible, knew how the Bible came about. Yen Bible no and I Abraham Ben Moshe ni Common Sense Family, me master, any Common Sense Family for ni dodona, we came out to say the Bible is not the word of God. The people in the Bible are liars. And I shall say yeka. And if someone come out to be Bible and no say nyami see Israel nyami see nipa no kanto. Ema na mu kura ma papa ya odi nchen ya friend wusu bempa nanim kokoi. Ema woni me boss kura ko ye debate by ko pie na asori dem. Ema me boss the Bible ye den ehwe no. Ema nka asori no eyegu. Afi na Ghana fo mo be mu se dia yen ye ka no. Enye tan bi na ye tan obi. Enye obi na ye mpenasem na mbom no kura ye hu aye ka e na ye den ye ka ho asem. The see 31st yi edi adanse kire Ghana for say Ghana ha no ye ni nyame nipa bia. Ghana ha no ye ni odifo bia o kasa in the name of Nyankopon e dia ma Ghana man ebi ni ho. Ye sha se ye ka no enye ne afi ena mo ankasa ma ye de mahu se ampa tumi bi eden ese ne tumi bi ampa mo se obia ene ne master afei ye mo se wusu bempa na jegesi baduku bi Ghana di fo ni Ghana asofo omo wo mo master no mo master ene dampare IGP yesanutu ende ye ba be bo agura Bible no me the Bible no be prove biem se adifo no from wo adifo no wo Ghana no nyina ya torofo ne nkwasiafo me srese me kasa Bible be ka tell nyina obi anye correct eyo mu yefunu nti e no mo yese edwuma na sometimes we tate popopo thank you wo ba so mo share video no manwa James tate popopo ye ma wa kwa wo ba so pe na wo bombo de say wo be share video no dia owusu bempa no na jegesi ne ba ku bi no ye 31st e prove chire Ghana for say ampanya nyame bi na aso mo long time because say ampanya nyame bi na aso mo na ye nyame bi adwuma no mo ye na ye no kora nyame di adi sem di amo so mo fa mbre o man no na ifri nyame ho ampa enka o mo beka mama ya den yate ase wo say before then no enkom se biara nkrofo mi ensan yi beba enkom se biara nkrofo yi de beden e de beba no e ya o mo kire se Nyankopon na aso mo o mo nyame ho him na e de o mo ye den e kasa na esimesi bewu o mampeni dada bewu o mampeni bewu we we be crashe entokwa besi we sei besi na o ma ka kire nse nyankopon na na mo so na ode o mo kasa because wo kan Bible na ye se nyankopon na me bi so ebi no so ye den e kasa e wo di ya me kan nine ende ye ba be hwa de ye be hwa de ba ko me bi te me se wo ba so a video no esese wo share video no wonim na gegesi platform a share man nkoda so wonim ogusu ben platform a share man nkoda so wonim ba du ku bi platform bi a share man nkoda so mo nche ngu platform akese no so na ye nye de ye nto aso Bible ba be prove o mu bie na mo mu se ampa omo ya torofo ne na adafo na mramba nkontompofo no mu ye funu nti e no mu sisi asori dem ade nti na me kasa ye hwe ade bi ewo Matthew chapter 10 verses number 5 obi anye di no nti Matthew 10 verse 5 asem bi ho se no kore nyame bi na asuma nkrofo yi yedi na tie dia Bible ne ye den eka Matthew chapter 10 verse 16 Matthew 10:16 obi antie oye Kristo ni atie onye Kristo ni atie obi ntan obi ye di ba nyame di Bible be prove disprove sisi a so mo ya tora difo long time ni afi no mo dani atora difo da no mo da nipa afi no mo to da di afi no mo caps aye den ayema afi no mo caps aye den ayema utie da mekan Matthew 10:16 o se hwe mere soma mo se nwan akompatakum finfi enti munye anitie se owo na munye boko se muburu according to Matthew chapter 10 verse 16 Jesus say o soma mo a Kristofo na mo agi na edina mo yi mo asi wo se mo ye nyamesomfo na mo ye Yesu agidifo no o soma mo akonwam ye fe ne se mo o soma mo akompatakum na mo ye nwan. Who is the pataku? The pataku is at the top. Dampare IGP stand for pataku. Mono you stand for nwan tiu. Nti asofo no mo ye nwan. Adifo no mo ye nyankopon nwan. Utie. Mo kom patakum obi antie de eden. Eba. O se na hwebere suma mo se nwan akom patakum finfi enti munye nitie ti se owo na monye boko se abuburu na monhwe mo huyiye nipa ho na obeyi mu ama mpenifo odwa na obeyi mu ama mpenifo odwa na wakabu mprewo nhia dan Jesus say a Kristofo osu bempa wo Jesus no na gegesi wo Jesus no baduku bi wo Jesus sene wo kona se o mo chemu a ye beka mu mpre ye bebu mu tie nti monye ready for bro nti se mo se mo yinyame nipa mpampa ade nti na Yesu isuma mo se mo ko na ye chemu a ye bebo mo na mo di enkomhye ni pascal na mo ano toto papa so na mo nyanya nsasem bia nye den enka di se nkwase asem ende mo beten se mo ha hwe ye ma ne fo no mo anim bie ye no amanyo mo bu o mo no ye di o mo abufuo ebe ye den ebe kanya nsasem e ye to utim edu bebe ye be di mo atema ye be di mo atema ma ye den mo sua nyansa what you say etum bra ye be di mo atema because mama ye mo kora mo Bible no kora di yen yatem mo Bible no kora di yen yatem mo Bible no wo kan the book of Jeremiah the mo Bible no say abosonso ye nkwase asem ende me de to wo say de obekwa asole bi agimi obi bu afu na sabe enyi obi mame ka asem wo ya nsamato aso obi a every Sunday obi a okwa asole no it say obi a we university na every Sunday was akotena class 1 say yen 1+1 obi every Sunday okwa asole go tie John 3:16 go tie Bible mu asem no it say obi a we go school from class 1 to university na every Sunday was akotena classroom say yen 1+1 we Jimmy when you university you don't need to come back to class 1 and learn your friend is saying 1+1 Christo ni be every Sunday wo kwa sole what is say will be a school where we school but still every Sunday and every Monday or per one day in a week now what na classroom say teacher ni na o 1+1 by last 30 years now sir teacher ni be san 1+1 biem inti asoro say one jai kwa what is say obia when you school but still yen tell 1 + 1 Jimmy ni kwasi asem ye to aso Jesus be kasa kire mo adifo no mani da ho obi abaso odi astem o say useless boy aja power won aja power no oye sofo wo bekom no oye sofo me say na dwumantu ba bi di madem so nya sofo a enje oye kristoni a onte nyoma ase aja power se wo ye kristoni a wo sofo wo difo ni me say obu ba wuhui na me mahu a me ka kire wo se wo ye sofo nso a me number 0241 539334 me will be friendly for debate 0241 539334 me say friendly for debate na yen hwe Bible num say you odifuo papa bi ana Yesu bia bi wajo ana ye won kwan say ye kwa asole ana nka wo beto Bible na gu ye to aso Matthew 10:16 me sisu biem me de kasa fa mu nti won ti ase me go back to the Bible message Jesus jama adifo enunie nti wi udifo bi na wo koshenkom na obi hunahuna wo na ahunahuna ni nti na ahunahuna ni nti wo dane nkom se na that means you are not a true follower of Christ we are bias we are dadafo we nkontomponi we yefunu nti na wafa Bible omo na egugu form no tetru ousu beba kokon tetru sa ousu beba we ono na ye dadafo otomponi azanka na buleni si omo nyina ye to aso Matthew 10:16 hwe meresma mo senwan patakum finfi enti monye enitie se awo na monye boko se muburu na monhwe mo hu ye nipa ho na wobeyi mu ama mpenifo dwa na wakamumpre won hie dem na meni na yedemo beko amrado ni ahemfo anim yedemo beko amrado ni ahemfo anim yedemo beko dampare anim nti yaka to dada ena mo dwane mi wina makokotu bra Paul amu kotu ni je connection se nhira mo ma se oje no mi ko ka kire mo bra Paul because of munti ye kan ye to aso verse 19 na se yimu o say na se yimu ma mo nwene de amobeka ana de amobeka mo Bible no say yimu de commanda ampare owusu bempa na jegesi baduku bi se mo hyenkom ampampa se nyankopon bi na asoma no na mo hyenkom na nkom se no ankoyi amagana ankoyi eye panic fear and panic eyowo jasese eye basabasa na sebi ye fenisen ye fenisen yimu commanda ampare a mamo ndwendi amobeka na nkonko na nkasa be mamo dia mobede mobeka gane difo mo ye na dafo ni nkontompo fo papa and diamo 31st I expose musuban yen ya Canada na bagana fo nyi ntu em say go no 31st ya eja bi fire explosion bi wo ashama Roman town Ghana odifo bi antumi anka bi anyame bi ya kire mo say eja beba but you find say dan barika say me mu obi mmehye panic and commotion bi obi mmehye nkom bi say obi bewu eja bi be shinti enu nti na manka bi a owusu be pa hu bi a you find say baduko bi hu bi a you find say na de case hu but ehunehuna ni nti mom say mon ni nyame bi a mo nyame ni tumi Yesu ni tumi nti mo ntumi anka accident bi kura say obi free 31st iba obi wu okwan so ne sofo hyenkom se nyoma be koyie wo Ghana but ote asore dem no sofo na ntimi ahu se upon 31st na okofia omu be ko akowu nkrofo 5 kan se nyame ayi akire mo se obi be wu amonka na yemu se ampa mo de nyame tumi ne ye de ye adwuma ye che mo kora mo Bible no se nkonko na be kire mo de ya mo be kan we di adanse se enya wo nkonko na mo de ye adwuma eye mo ankasa butiri mo adwen na mo de kasa mo adwen big up to be Moshe Common Sense family. Me say, yabama mo adwa yaduma. Yabama ganda fo ni ada ho. Enkrofo miensan. Omo ya we so mo ya zanfo. Omo ya zan. Omo they call them the 3 gurus. Me to aso. Matthew na me nkan. Na say wo yi mu ma mo nwenwen dia. Sadia mo be kasa. Ana dia mo be ka. Na wo de na what the diamo be kan be mamu edonu aramu na enye mo na mo kasa na mbo mu aja honhom no na okasa mu na mbo nyankopon honhom ne be kasa mu nti ade nti na musuro dia dampale kan he no. Why do you people fear? Se mo nyame ne nam na nyame won kronkro de mo ye eduma because mo ba abonte a mo se na nyame honhom de fa nyame honhom fa me ko east nyame honhom de ne kana ponko so na nyankopon honhom na bible no se ye no kore nyame honhom na de mo ye eduma de nyame honhom no de kire mo no mo hu a mo mbeka na mo ka bia ensi na yes dan pare se this time wo bia wo be hu sa de no a wo ba beka no woka manimbrem ambamu aye bechew but munim se mo mfa nyame mu ni nyame won kronkron mo beka ye bechi mu nti mu anye den mo anka munim se ye bechi mu anye no korenti mu anye den mo anka ba mo bible no se ampa mo ye difo na mo ye nyame sonfo pa na nyame honhom de mu ye edwuma de ye de be ma mo bia mo meka because ye chemu a kronkron na kasa ba be kasa fa mu be hu asem ka mo kokota mo be hu mbara. You know the articles, you go to the article to free yourself. Mo hu manim guase wo su bepa na gegesi ni ba ko bi mo hu manim guase na sebe ye ma me fo na wo mu nim bible kan you to now o ma dan na ye me ya and Sunday o mu sa gugu asori dan ho o mu sa gugu asori dan me say 31st I expose you. This is one of the histories in Ghana. One of the histories in Ghana, 31st, Dampari, IGP, Atinya Magana, Gifo Nina, Adisema Kumutrim, because Omoy Nkontompo, Damana Mafo, Nkontompo for Nada for, or what to say, your friend is a Jetabua, our open the pan, I open a boy na I read, and a modern mammy for a new book, Umunia Frano, anyone more who bring was Obi say Ajapawana. Wabana will be my Timothy Siano, Muditi one who are very ganina, Motobe daddy back. When you be quasi back, where I catch them, here to us. Was verse 20, Matthew 10:20, was in any one of Becassa. Now, one woman or Becassa from now, Unia be Unia, was in a Unia be Unia Amahu, na Eja Obama, na Asori Etiana Wofo. Na midinti nipa nyina betane mo nti se mo beka no kore na nipa time mo a mo nka no kore na nipa time but this is where you people became liars. The entire time on se mo ya atorofo se mo yo no kwafo anka ye bedi mo chi mo ya atorofo nti na ye time mo ya zan mo ya atorofo Jesus say se mo beka no kore na ye betane mo kora mo nka no kore na ye time. Eagle prophet me refi why nti woni ndi a type e di ni fashion why na start video no ntimi nkotwe picture na ma ene ba ko bi ye fa no selfo amako azafo bible no say se mo be ka no kora ne ye be time a mo nka no kora ne ye time but mo adane atrofo azafo kontompofo kala bulifo atribodemfo ene mu bo man na fa so me yina maka one secret bi a kire mo the entire IGP anya access to you. Me gonna make a tell. Nka IGP has nothing to do with a gifu. Nka IGP ye come one. Na ye when nyame nipa bi wo mani mo IGP nka nye ne size na mo. But mo enkwasi asem eni sika dienti mo adane politicians. Nti mo atwe politics bi akosha asole mu. Ena IGP tena si mu say na yegesi NDC ni baduku bi NDC ni ya fa say how do you call it osu be mpa MPP ni nti MPP be kasa na NDC be kasa ebetimi di confusion abo oman mu nso IGP on na ye pedi ntokwasi a ono na da police fo ano ono na obebre nti to only and there IGP ya obetimi a stop ntokwa between NDC and MPP ni say me mu bia be hye nkom kwasi ankom bia. This is why IGP nya kwan wura mu. Enka man fa politics NDC any MPP ansha so mo nka IGP nkomba mu. Uti e dia me ka kire wo. Because ye mo na bubetini aka ntokwa wo man no. Ye wo Ghana ha na NDC for di ya fa na se na gegezi ka se NDC, baduku bi ka se NDC, e na we so ka se MPP. Enka e di confusion ye den eba. ena Egypt na so say enkrofo we betimi di ntokwa ba o man mu ye di nkrofo ye ti say o nyamese na betimi di ntokwa ye den aba because enkrofo amanfo ti o mo ena e wodan omo ne kita members o mo ani afira nti de owusu bempa beka onifira ni bi betie de na de egesi beka onifira ni bi betie de baluku bi beka onifira ni bi betie nti se man stop san krofo ya nti se man stop san krofo ya on be kan to kwanti ma mi nwuram na me kan tro mo se wa wunim na obehye nkwase ankom bi no me ne wo bi ka nti mu Jesus se wo soma mu akompatakum mu yi nwan no be bom ho ban de odi be ma obi amonka afi ade na mama ne IGP pataku opem atimo na mpa Yesu na asoma ho na Yesu na aka no kora kire mo ende ade nti na mo mane na mo free Ghana man mo akọ Amofia the country of Amofia minko tia usu ben pasi we mu se ya fa ne sen how do you call it US4 a brisi US4 she black nti ehia mpaibo nkwase asem wo Ghana ni yen Ghana for ni US wani ni ehia mpaibo yen Ghana for ni US4 se nyankop ye bom pai na nyankopon etie mpaibo a yen Ghana for ni US4 wani ni ehia mpaibo yen Ghana for US ni be sha atade no o sha atade o yitu a na o de abrel brazier na o de abrel pant na o de abrel mo na o de abrel bibibia US o mo na e de breye na ono ni hiam paibo ye won paibo bi bo anka US ni se so ogbo mpaye ma wo su be pa ni wo man o mai bi hiam paibo sin Ghana o mai bi hiam paibo sin Ghana na o mai bi hiam paibo sin Ghana ma se no mo de nyame sem e dia se no mo de adi sem e na ma ye mo se obi antimi nka mo ase because mo ye nyame dipa ye nkasa ntia wan we read the book of Numbers Miriam any Aaron kasa tia ya fa de sen Moses no se kwata gu no ye memesi mo ya azan mo ye nkontompo ma me kan Isaiah chapter 56 na me nya fanya se atemdidie bi wo ho me pese bi di atem ba mi go di atem sa obi be kase ma di mpelifo atenti ma me mfa nko Isaiah the book of Isaiah chapter 56 verses number 10 na me nya enye de enka ma asem Isaiah 56 verse 10 me ba be kan ye di na tie o say inwanhwefo no ye adifrafo won nyina animde won nyina animde won nyina ye akramamu won tumi mbubom won nyina ye amunukasafo de ntonko na akrama no ye adufudifo pefo se wonim ome won nyina adani won ani ekyerɛkyerɛ won kasa won akwan so ne won fefo biara wokase mombra mere kofa nsamaba na yahwe nsade na ochina be se ebeso aboroso yi wotie nti ya fa ne se Bible no se Ghana difo no montimi mbugum moira monim di amoko nkwase ankom na mo se nkwase asem na mudi ma me kan English no me kan English no what dada ya che too much what dada ya che papa what dada ya che me na kam chiro Isaiah 56 the bia say beba na me nim say to me bi sin to me bi sa me nim say to me bi e den e sin to me bi. You see, Isaiah 56 then he says, all the leaders who are supposed to warn my people are blind. More than any frafo. More than any frafo. Microphone me and say Ghana D4. More than any frafo are blind. They know nothing. Mun usu bempa ni mo hwe wa bon. Na gegesi ni mo hwe wa bon. Baduku bi ni mo hwe wa bon. They know nothing. They are like watchdogs that don't back. You people cannot back the truth. You only back lies. You can back, but not the truth. You back lies. Mo can turn in nada. Mo ya zafo. Mo nim faso o man mo. Enkrofo mo nim faso. Ye di mo echinti na ye bre. Ye tie mu nti na ye bre. Mo ni o man ni mo anko. Man ye die kon kan sen mo di o man ni mo. We can correct. They only lie around and dream how they love to sleep and not ntonkunkwa. Nkwasia nasa because omo ato mo manya Ghana fo sika. Ghana fo wani bi o ma ni musika no omo de sisi dan enkrofo me se bi ka ti o ma japade o wa enya ade ketwa me catch wa japade o mo wa e dan ankrofo me so usu bempa na gegezi any baduku be see in the name of the Bible, in the name of me shenkom, in the name of Jesus and yes and yeah dan kotwa ma jeje o ma japade ebu o ma na say o ma no ma na the April dan pare na aba mam kwasiafo sa o mudi o ma nanim yeto aso Jeremiah Jeremiah chapter 5 verse 30. Jeremiah 5:30. O my man na misu o mo. The book of Jeremiah chapter 5 verse 30 to 31. Me kan. O see Jeremiah 5:31. O see adi for shen control. Utie. Adi for here dey shen control. O su ben pa shen control. Na gelgesi shen control. Ba duku bi shen control. Baby, I mean, so who's been paying your trophy pa, or your trophy pa, and maybe you can say in this, your friends, MPP, Beba. Actually, your Ghana had 2021 query, you know, who's been passing by, say, send a new micro, Yanko Poma, to be free, your friend is saying, how do you call it? Or Solomon J. Eddie, Coma, Genie, Eddie, Coma, your friend is saying, umbrella, who's been pa, oh, since I was by me, since I was by me. When yakora so be when you jai dimpa usu be pam si jai dimpa me na me kasa no jai dimpa na when yini yakora what 50 years ni bo brasa wanyan kwasiafo bi so no mudi nechi kwasiampafo bi wanyi afra mu titi asoro da modi omudi nechi ena wo jini mu jimi no eto beka dampare IGP mu nti mu jimi no be jai mu kwasi ajimi no hwe nka be yakora IGP hwe eno ni IGP ma me nkyerɛw me wi am better how to make money from churches. Nka mo betimi di church bia ye dey ambeki sika. Wo dey IGP Ghana the whole Ghana asole bia mo make sure say asole bia register. Mo ma kwan na asole bia nye dey register number 1. Wo say nkom na mba mu a we will find you ya be find you betua be $20,000 in one. Nti IGP you can release them. Say IGP koranka say mo obi an hye nkom. O say mo betimi a hye nkom. But ubi a obesem kom panic kom na mbamu yenchewo nti se mo se mo nyame ne nama mo besem kom ebamu a yenchewo ebamu ne echewa na watue be $20,000 na wo de sua nyansa na save and make money for the nation nti IGP me ma wapo wo de free o jai o enye se wu na no minim so already wu na obi a wonto obi a sorry dem won ka se mo obi a nse mo obi a nse kom but obi bia ro besem kom na nkom no enya sumdwen sem na obeka se obi bewu eja beto bebi accident bi besi ensuo bi beto ase bibi okape IGP eno wana se bodate na gidin fato ho sambamu a obetuaka wakoso fear and panic ontuaka obetuaka obetua $20,000 obetua $100,000 wo sen konfo na bamu a na ye jiusika na wo de sua nyansa se ye na sa nka mo be sua nyansa Jeremiah chapter 5 verse 31 na meka no adifo no sen control na asofo nam won so di won kokoso asem omo matete o man na po o man ni adifo ni asofo nkomtro di anyamenka ye mo se nyame aka di anyamenka ye mo se nyame aka Ewade nkafe mo se nyame di mo akohunhum da bia mo na nyame so a mo de kohunhum e no de me ko be poso e no de me ko e po ase omo bebi omo na me di eduru no na omo abasa nyankopon de omo ko omo na me po ase ni nsuum e digi nduro e de aya asole ma no se na asole ba no jimi na se omo ogusu bempa na yegezi ni baduku bi obekan kwase asem ko asole ba na edwi ntumi nda ho ba nkakra power pass power. Who say man no day, man day, dampari day, IGP day, IGP, me salutu. Me say IGP, me share IGP one-on-one. Man to double anche na meto a confirm ache no, madam come chero. Double meto ache free, ana confirm meto ache free. What dada go mine ache. O man ye need go. Big up to Common Sense family di Moshe. Me cheche CSF phone nyina. Mo beti nsem. De ye nyina say ya homboy. Bandal na wase ni agusu. Chesi amene ukasa bi abandon ne besa panyan 20 cedi na wudi egum panyan 10 cedi na wudi egum na dia fire ho me to aso na mema nso pene sa o si adifo ni jimi no mo shen control no mema nso pene sa Pentecost for pene sa kwasi asem omotete asoro da mu ndai esan ko ji omusika biom e na me repeat biom no any Christian who goes to church every Sunday is like a person who completed school but still go to class 1 and sit in a room of class 1 to come and learn 1 plus 1. Let me repeat again. Any Christian who still go to church every Sunday is like somebody who completed university but still come to class 1 and learn 1 plus 1. You got me? Christo ni bi order so kwa sole. Et say obi a when university na still every Sunday and every Monday what's not what na sole dem say yen na 1 plus 1. Every Sunday Jesus is coming soon. Every Sunday 3:16. Every Sunday to abodogun so say when Jimmy ye won your kwase a. Every Sunday yen fa Bible verse ba ko nye de into for sa e Jimmy na ye. So when Jimmy every Sunday John 3:16, we have been listening to John 3:16 almost for 400 years now. And John 3:16, John 10:30, you have to say Revelation 5:10, Revelation 1:17. Every quotation in the Bible can change our daily lives. You can't answer some of them. Na ma say o man wo so be pa mo Jimmy ate na jigesi mo Jimmy ate but you could be mo Jimmy ate mo din kwa ate ma ate mo the Bible e budi pa ate. Jeremiah 14:14. The book of Jeremiah, chapter 14, verse 14. Enoni. Osi ne urade ka kire me say, atoro na di fo no de hye me di mu nkom. No kore 31st kora kan. 31st di adanse say atoro. Na omo de hye urade di mu nkom. The God of Israel, the God of Israel. Oba Bible mu kora Israel nyankopon no kora wo atoro di fo. Na wo Ghana, me nkotia. Usu bempanko ka se dampare usu bempo oya esmato se dampare pe ope di semetia on from one no ye di fo no ope kwa no be fa so dia ko odi akọ yo dampare ba dampare obo on from one no ye di fo no ope dampare adamfo dampare on pe wa damfo yo ye usu bempa ye utu adadi utiru asa usu bempa utiru no asa wan ya ma utiru aye asa woni sesi a ebini ne beka auto wonya tiro mpa biem me na mkantro se ye fene se dampare on ti adi se masia on from mo no we adifo papa be daddy odifo papa be woni mo odifo eduma. The book of Chronicles no osi munti adifo no na mu be di ye di mo akiri ye di e ben na aba ya brabum enye mo mbom na mu di ye enye ye mbom na ye jajapade ye sika ye nkakra wa na mo gidi adi ye. Me so be business a good in the name of we were the aduma. Obia sending him a misika fia butri ni ma me ote Ghana. Wonim say title no to anoma be koyi. Odi sika ni nyina ko wura so dem wo so be mpa na ye gesi ni ba du ko bia disika ni nyina. E ma sebe na me na abrowa no ni business aye de agu be si ne. Obia dani sansani in the name of we were the aduma. Obia dani ko hwini in the name of your friend say ya hye no kom ko to ama ko to say e na ko to say na mu buye ma me for fashion. Me kan Jeremiah 14:14. Na Ewurade ka kire me say atoro na di fo no de hye me din kom me nso awo na me nhye wo na me nkasa me nkire wo atoro ni ani suadi hunu nkom se ni nsem hunu ne won akuma mu na ada na wo ka kire mu nsem hunu kwase asem nsem hunu jimi sem nwasem na wo kan nsem hunu se nyen nsem hunu pa enka amofia de ye den amofia se nyen kwase asem na nyen nsem hunu a enka ye mbọ mpa ye enye den emfa ma America sesi amunya nkopọ no de mo chinchin a mo hu hwe wo Ghana biom sesi Ghana Yesu owus e yafa say IGP has covered the face of the God of Christians from Ghana. IGP is bigger, IGP is wider and cover the face you people cannot see. You IGP has blocked. IGP wa block mo nyame no ontimi hu Ghana biom. IGP has blocked the view of the God from not seeing Ghana to tell the idea for what will happen. IGP is wider, bigger and has covered the face of your God. Until now, baby, I'm going to kakra no outside Ghana, almost fiani America. Almost fiani America. Munsuya nyansa. Munsua nyansa. Munsua nyansa. Ne mwenyini munsua nyansa. Mwenyini. Obi tinu ka say, "Usu be pa ye me papa nka me pe. Mempe." Me say me nya dem mempe because of the krono na agu nipa. Nti di owo bia japade no odnya ye nyina. Onam krono mu no ye den oboy. Akronfo a mahyehyɛ good. Jeremiah chapter 17 verse 11. Tie. O se de opɛ ade anya. Na onya no tene ne so. Te sɛ kokɔhwɛ de a obutu gosia a enye ono ane de so. Obebu ni nam fa aja na wieye mu abɛyɛ ɔkwasea. Na wieye mu abɛyɛ de abɛyɛ ɔkwasea. Nkwasiafo Bible Jeremiah 17 verse 11 say moye nkwasiafo enkwasia mo amopa ade anya na ma mfatene ne kwan so anya saa ade no ekiri mo bedane nkwasiafo ntira 31st any IGP ni common sense family ni Abraham bi mo she approve me say moye nkwasiafo enya me na me kan Jeremiah 17:11 e kan o say moye nkwasiafo nkwasiafo mpani wa opa ade anya na wa mfatene ne kwan so e de tene ne kwan so mo sigira so da mu hye kom embre kra nyankopon ka asa mukra mo ka ho bandela ya bandel sisi atensi de gere so e kosa obeka se Yesu na atua m genye Yesu me bandel na esa enkwasi asem mo pe ade anya mo fatene ne kwan so nya den empe sa ade ma hyenkom nkomtoro e ma ye maamefo e de omu gidie e de ahyemunu ama ma gye omu agapade a Bible no se ekiri mo be dane nkwasiafo e na mo dane nkwasiafo no me se ye wo Ghana ha mo agapade no mo betonto no maako de asayale mo betonto ma agapade no maako because kwa mo fa so nya agapade no enye kwa ya mo fa so sisi mo adan etoto mo kaasa no enye ma me nto aso ansa me banda na 2 Corinthians chapter 11 verse 25 me ko kire wa amanihu na Paul ye den ehui amanihu na Paul ye den ohui me ko kire wa amanihu na Paul se ye den ohui Paul say 3 times I was whipped by the Romans. Paul say ya boom nyame asem de oka no korenti ya hwe no 3 times ye to aso. And once I was stoned. Ya stone no ye de boba bon oka no korenti ye to aso. I've been in 3 whip pigs and once I spent 24 hours in water. Or how na Paul afam mu go to Paul mo pain na afam azafo or Paul. Paul fa mo mai na gegezi ba duku bi ni usu ba mo mai na fa mo timi shen konkora e ma ye ba mo so kora na makopa chewo da be na Paul akasa na ye ba no so na Paul si da bi mesere mo manka na sa usu be mpa ye o Ghana ha na o ka se chief imam be den obewu nkambofo ye wallahi na o mko bubu cyborg no wan fa na ntwa nkopa chewo Paul oyebi Jeremiah oyebi da bena Jeremiah ashenkom Jeremiah na munkotu da bena Jeremiah ashenkom na Jeremiah akopacho da bena Ezekiel ashenkom na yeba bebon na Jeremiah Ezekiel akopacho mo munu na ya che ye ni adaho shame unto you people should bow your face down in shame you people should bow down in shame when you guasi you people should bow down in shame na mo the Bible na buya che Chale obi mfa 10 cedi nguso ma me why me banga no misremo 0241 53 93 34 wa obi timi na odi aguso say obi anya bia nguso dia ende esa na ada ye de bibia ye den e dia sia ye to aso ye wi Acts chapter 16 verse 16 me kan Acts 16:16 enkrofo me wo mo so sa this month me say me ni omo this month me ni omo Edinati Acts chapter 16 verses number 16 Or say, one day, as we were going to the place of prayer, we were met a young servant woman who had an evil spirit that they seized Paul and Silas and dragged them into the authorities in the public square. Yet Paul and Silas had the authority in the public square. They say, "Yet you want to dam pari anymore." They say, "Yet you want dam pari anymore." My name is small bundle obey. Aja, I say, "Bini want to ya 10 times the Biane, the Aguso." And so when you say Ghana bundle also. Until Mr. Dumont, you are, when you can see the Biana, Udia Gusuna. Me, Obianti, they brought them before the Roman official and said, "These men are Jews. They are causing trouble in our city." The same thing is happening to Dampari and the people and this so-called friends ID for Dampari. Say these people are coming, they are causing harm to the people. The same thing Paul Silas, the Omoko Roman Empire here to us. They are teaching customs that are against our law. We are Roman citizens and we cannot accept this custom of practice. Almost control. Now, that was accusation. And the crowd jail attack against Paul and Silas. Then the official tore clothes of Paul and Silas and ordered them to be whipped. After 7 beatings, they were thrown into jail. Yeah, Paul and Silas. And I get to jail. To jail. We refuse a Daniel or Bompire still. Said that Shadrach, Meshach, near Abednego, still yet you Mujina Pinti, missing performance I wear as who's been Panagates in Ibadubi. Montague Crawford in the video, in the video, more than uncle for me and saying, or when you're the one Sanka. Now one can't almost say, me say, Nada, Kuntum Punda, Brabano, Matagana for the still near Dao. Paul, any Silas, and I am born, Yamia 70, yet you want to prison. I'm so also they were them back on, but me yes was a phone you know. But it's upon receiving the other jail threw into the inner call and sent and fastening their feet between heavy blocks of wood. About midnight, Paul and Silas were praying and singing hymns to God, and the other prisoners were listening to them. Verse 25, no, here Paul and Silas echo to a fias, no. Now, I saw them man in bonfire. You find the same apostles, no, you find the same followers, no, before no more bonfire. They were praying after the prayers in ever. Then they preached the word of the Lord to him and to all the others in the house. Verse 33. Middle 25, about midnight. Soundly, verse 26, 25 to 26. Soundly, there was a violent earthquake which shook the prison to its foundation. At once, all the doors opened and the chains fell off the prisoners. Acts chapter 16, 26. Yet the Paul and Silas ate with Fiasi. Yamia Samuel no Queno Mokanti. As she have found Bompayama, earthquake as I was by Emma prison bui. Emma chains and no handcuff, no, a tete, Emupie, Dampare. She won't tune. She was a moving your beard, Mamma, quine, more canoe, Dampare in Jimuntum. Now, both for baby, you, I saw a man by woman in Bo, and all cried in Camebois, and Camet Danny Christo, no matter cantons, they are bompire, now yamming a baby, you. Mom said, we are. Paul go down, Hong be you. Paul go down, Silas, Paul, Silas, echo down, Hong go be you free at Fiasi. More can't go down now, Hong baby, you as Zan, who mention him. Then they preached the word of the Lord, verse 28. But Paul shouted at the top of the voice. No, the jail wake up That means jailer, and when he saw the prison door open, he thought that prisoners had escaped. So he pulled out his sword and was about to kill him. Into prisoners and obi a wo hwe ho to say police ni na your friend say your friend say omo hwe prisoners no me refini bi omo hwe prisoners no ba ko nim say no obi na bi no twe sekan senka or the cobon and Paul shout Paul here then. But Paul shouted at the top of his voice, "Don't harm yourself. We are all here." The jailer called for a light, rushed and fell trembling at the feet of Paul Silas. Then verse 30, then he let them out and asked, "Cease, what must I do to be saved?" Well, no, so the other prisoners no also because when you say be a Rebecca so na or my pina or mbui yet was verse 33. At that very hour of the night, the jail took them and washed their wounds, and he and all his family were baptized at once. Then he took Paul and Silas into his house and gave them food. That means when you be dying. Won kumpa be a prison man Paul and Silas be. What ya na mo dada ya? What ya na mo dada ya nka so be se me kakra. Da ben na mu ba kumba beka say afi we ya ye ba be wura mu die. Nnuma beba. Ye be nya akwan papa. Ye be si hospitals papa. No be yale a when 2 point free Ghana ankwa nko ye surgery ti se Kennedy Japan 2 point ko US ye ko yi abodam wo ni tirimu na nsen ya no o bodam na abodam ni gi ni ti no ono ankasa beka ye odure ye okaka nkwase asem so se no Ghana ha nti o mo de ko hospital no e na doctor ni hu abodam wo ni tirimu na doctor ni bi de ti se ya abodam e no ne de ko US o ko du US ni and no catch say US for doctors no say oh doctor for na omu say abodam wo ni tiri mu no o ma ya de pa nkwase asem so ma ya de a de ntino mo ntimi ayi ama o Ghana ha na butu kwan ko US that means omu betimi ehu but omu ntimi yi nti de omo so yale abodam ti say o abodam abeda de tiri mu ti say Kennedy Japan bi abeda wo tiri mu na nipa ni sika so de be ye surgery e wo US no nipa de omo dan wo nipa omo dan wo Missy 2022 now, Musi Yabudemu na New Year to Moon. Moga tensem. Who says the Sia Kroma Yidin at the 1 year for Nakosha sorry then? I can't papa for no fee. Only the sinners go to church. They are going to beg for forgiveness of this week and beg for next year sin. Omo ko pachew nyankopon mo next week e chena no mu ndi boni na next week o masa ko pachew no mu ada nyame ase boni o mu di no last week no nyame enku omo nti only sinners go to church and the boni e for the kwa asole number 1 o kwa asole na akoda nyame ase nyame me da ase se madi nkwase asem ma bokro no we dwumam ma ye den ma fo bi yere ma di boni ma bo adwaman ma ye de enye na wa hwe me so na me ho ato me da ase na mo mesra o me sa pen kwatenten na me sa di boni next week me ndi obi aboni me na me tifi no me nsre boni fa chi bia me nya obi aboni bia so I don't need to go to church and beg for forgiveness. If I need somebody to thank, me will be a Medanasia, a Jumo and a Medanasi, John Sika, Avram de Moshe, P. Black, the Yafat say, for what? Opia, a common demia, we see Kadisham in some did or a made a Medanasi, only Yasida. Mr. William na Medanasi. The old UK na Medanasi. The best sending me bundle na make us o me dasi sewa me bundle nyam enye nyankopon e be send me bundle enye nyam me beba misika. So if I have thanks I will give to human being because when I was hungry, when I was thirsty, it was human being who gave me food, human being who shelter me, human being who covered me, human being who accommodate me. You go to church and pray to God, for God has taken over you. God has taken care over you. Show me. Nyame obo ho ban e de no ye ma what does God done to you? Then you praise God, you give thanks to God. What has he done? Is it God who gave you money for food? They only go to church, sing and shout and sweat and come back, finish. There are some people who go to church because they want to marry. They don't know where to find women, so they will go to church and find woman and marry. There are some people who go to church, they can't see men outside because it is very difficult for you, a lady, to see a man and say, no, I love you. He can't do it, so he would rather go to church. Now I call down one shaking one, now when you're being baby the hour asa. You people don't go to church because of heaven. You go to church because of prosperity, because of marriage, because of long life. You need good things on this planet, but your Bible is telling you, say, man is a padie. Also, nyame a wo bebre, so nyame do wa. No so here. I don't need a foolish God who loves me but will tempt me before. For that God to show his love on me, he need to test me, to tempt me. Before I can see that he loves me. So nyame do wa. No so hwe na so nyame do wa yen kwase asem nyame odo wo so hwe ne nyame kwase nyame jimifo no odo wa wo so hwe nti se nyame do me a wo de adwaman be so me ahwe nyame do me a wo de kororo be so me ahwe nyame obema wa ye bone wa ma wo kwakoye bone ansa wa kire ni do. A God who will make you sing before he shows his love. A God who will cause panic. A God who will cause fire burning. A God who will cause distraction. Isaiah chapter 45 verse 5. Look at a God. Let me read it for you. Your God is a disaster God. God of disaster. Say nyame do wa no so hwe. Nyame do wa no den so hwe to wani. Nyame do wa no ma wo bre. If God loves you, he will make you suffer and show you love. Me see, yenya bundle pa, and some you back on Facebook pa. I have time in you, yes, they will. Isaiah chapter 40, Isaiah 45. Hey, big ups to be mushi, Abraham mushi, why are dear? Me do with tears, young sense, young day. Hey, why, baby, I will be a Michiao, why? Me kaiva Isaiah chapter 45 verse 5 to 6. I am the Lord, there is no other God. I will give you strength. You need, although you don't know me. Verse 6. I do this that everyone end of the world to the other may know that I am the Lord, and that is no other God. So that for that God will let people know that there is none like him. Look at what he will come and do. And sana ubi ebe so nyame no hwede oba be. I create both light and darkness. I bring both blessing and disaster. I the Lord do all these things. I the Lord do all these things. Nti nyame do wa no so hwe. If God loves you, he will send disaster to test you, to tempt you. No, they attempt to. Now I'm not say nyame na ema nyame na oji nkwasi asem say wunim say wo de be ma me na wo be ji a ade na wo de ma me. If you will give it to me and take it back, why did you give it to me? That means it doesn't make sense. Nyame na ema nyame na oji, you give it to me and take it, then that means you didn't give it to me. Because if you give it to me and you took it back, that means you didn't give it to me. Tell your God to think. That is why these people don't have sense. They are following their nonsense God. Me say me mano ye ya o, me mano ye ya. Na di ntia na me nya kwani e. Edwuma binti. Edwuma bi na esi mi kwan wo baby. Once na nsanya I said me pray wo edwuma ma mi wo fie. Won say me ye ponchoa. Me ye ponchoa kakra na maba. Ewia me saba. Me say me nya adifu yi. By the end of this month, many almost are. Omo quotation dey abu chow. Abu. Na say mo fa me pray won me nsam ni yapam. Timothy fie endro ya na me kosane endro ya na me santie kuro wo mi nsam ntira na nsam mi wo fie no ntira ya me se mo mboa me banda kakra me nya no na ye de toto banda siti me sre we me sre so wala yi me te on ka che o onupa minisani minim fie bu nye ka fie na kai o la ke nutu mo ne wo ke no o ke bo na itu ni tu e shi ka fie na go bodon o ya minisani oh what say. Yeah, that's nasa. Ona, ka fi na kan. Ola ke bono nke wono je shishin ke wono yai. Ona no yo. Chale, sana fe wade ne bo sana fe wade agbelenye ameshishibo wa akenyumo ene mmene nyumo kemene wo ameke nyumo kemene na mene ntene kene ka se wona kunukunukunukunuku shishi ameshishi wo so ko ke sika ya solemo aba jeshika ni wona ni akeshika aba ko sika fe meni sani pone amanie me papa kuma bese ase ni sen me papa kuma ikumi orododo o se bese ase ni sen o chale no shishi busy la ke busy jeme minim se mo de mu ye busy mo nya akwadefo yen Ghana fo na ya akwadefo because adwuma ni wa ye beye na wo betima ya akwadro wo ye fe ni sen ye fe ni sen Germany ana Italy adwuma ni da ho you can onye fe ya kan bomo ye geme Bie ni chu eku be bie Ghana bie ni chu eku be nti ye nyina ya dane akwadefo nti the lazy people the Ghanaians who are lazy lives in Ghana. The hard workers are those who travel. Bisa so walayi wo de James Tate popopo bisa no nipa jina ni nine so be 10 hours day and night 24/7 ejina ni nine so ye adwuma. Tate popopo, thank you for that day. I don't know fire me bundle kura fire me bundle me dasi abusia ye nkasa bebre di abesia dem pese adi for ti asese omo Bible na state clearly so we are zani konkonsafo kontompofo sente sakura dampale and 31st has proved them totally wrong. And it started by common sense family Abraham B. Moshe. The Kwame Nkrumah of your friend is saying Cecia. The new Kwame Nkrumah found. The new Kwame Nkrumah Abraham B. Moshe. The new Messiah for Ghana Abraham B. Moshe Jesus. Era ye Peter, mini P black. Ye Peter ni your friend is a Matthew. Era ye na ye diachi. 12 disciples on the body. Abraham B. Moshe na ye Jesus no. What you say? Abraham your friend say Abraham B. Moshe era ye Jesus no. What you say? People like ye Peter, me ye John. Your friend say Raskotoka ye Luke. Raskotoka ye Luke. Your friend say lawyer Bani Bafo, your friend say Matthew, and Yusuf, your friend say Bartholomew. Your friend hey, so you have not done a funny now. What you say, you're treating the Fukeke, Bakatakra. Yes, you have a number. We are treating your bed, and you have a what you say. I got a crown so, yeah, so you're Jessica. Now, so I could be you treat me, you give 50 cedi by a battery. Yeah, also who's been panel, who's been panning against no one, who won't put me pa. Me catch Rosie come my dear friend among for someone in Jessica get one, more be a mammy for Missy Mammy would. Hey, Jetly, your father said Matthias, Jetly, Matthias, as she have one. Yeah, brain the name of God. They hear me and say, if you people believe, say, Ampara, you are called by the God of Israel, and you are the God of Israel. Said that pare the case, mo be and say any panic and come here. Nam panyanko ponso be ha. Come out and talk. My angel, yetwa. Paul, echo there, yes, it is same kind, you know. Won kon abofo ko be gate wo de yem fa untum ye de utum kura ye ma waduane because Daniel ye de go tum na ye ma na duane na Nyankopon ne feed Daniel into ogusu be pa ye ti utum a ye the prisoners for aduane ba men di God will feed you because Nyankopon will feed Elijah who can first Kings chapter 17 na Nyankopon o ma anene kwa de be ekofa burodo obi burodo na Nyankopon wa suma kwa de na kwa de be ko wia burodo dia kwa Elijah. Because number one, Nyankopon on Tubrudu, Esro one of Tubrudu, and to say Elijah, Eda Europe, Nakwa Daddy, I mean, it make of a Brudu at the back, Brudu name Frisro, and you'll be Brudu and Aqua that Nyankopon so Goya, and Goya by Utia Jamaica. Sometimes I don't blame them much, I blame the God in the Bible, the biblical God. I will delete you. That biblical God is confused. And automatically would delete you. He will also be confused. Ave Mami go to Jesus na yemfa yesomo no embra wiye and then yesomo no kwa wiye but the last verse John chapter 10 verse this number 10. John 10 verse 7 to 10. Jesus can assembly wo mankind. Jesus told them this Jesus verse 7, John 7:10. So Jesus said again, I am telling you the truth. John chapter 10 verse 7. I am telling you the truth. I am the gate for the sheep. All other who came before me are thieves and robbers, but the sheep did not listen to them. Tiasema Jesus he can. Jesus say, only gate no fine. Sorry. Your friend is saying, your friend is saying, dino gate no be wura do a gate ni only a kwan wo be wura mu. No mo di kan ba ye no. Omo ya kromfo ne a robbers. Ntina yantie omo no. That means Jesus was referring to the Old Testament prophet that they are thieves and robbers. That is why the people of Israel did not listen to them. Until Jesus kora fra Isaiah oyo kromfo. Jesus fra Jeremiah say ewi. Jesus fra Ezekiel ewi. Jesus fra your friend say Malachi say ewi. Jesus fra Habakkuk say ewi. Na me fra Isaiah say ewi a me ni ubu be fun. Jesus kora say omo ya kromfo. Ma men kan John 10:10. John 10:9. Mama shall say verse 8. Na me famra 10:10. All others who came before me are thieves and robbers, but the sheep did not listen to them. I am the gate. Those who came in me, by me will be safe. They will come in and go out and find pleasure. The thieves come only to steal. Yes, to steal. The thieves come only to steal, like a gazy, to destroy. Also, in order, the thieves only come only to steal, to kill, steal, like a gazy. Kill, also destroy, and I have saying, Badukubi, I have come in order that you may have everlasting life in fullness. Common sense family, Yabasa, you be more through Usubempa, Nagesi, any your friend is saying Badukubi in some they came to steal, destroy, and kill. They kill our forefathers, may can't profo we are. They kill Yamani for we are because yet in Yukum, Yalebi or why I say they call hospital. No Usubempa na gave me Badukubi Akase, a whom may I hear. Nay, I was some pie to anointing one to Kutoto, we never pay. They steal, poya mammy for we are no more destroy on my dream. Ye be Besia, still waiting for my bundle. Medasi. My YouTube channel is CSF Yahuda. CSF Yahuda. It will be Biasi said, will be a babe and babe. But Mr. When I share, one wondering I share, Natali. You beside you, Comobium. Madame Wasi, if I want you to make you be Pia. Common sense of Siafunina. Chiamina so alike, Mingabu. Obaga Sani, came in no go by me. It will be Biasi. Masok Nancy. Omo Yaka Yipimu as a name at all. Man said video, no Konya, no Kawante, no Kunu. Madame Wasi, and I was an out of us and Abbey. Thank you very much. Bigger, yes, I bring a year duma, body in the bread. Michia Bimushi, people like Michio, Dampari, Michio. Mon country, Mr. Dampari, IGP said, Obisi or Shell. My person, me to other double, and I confirm at the chen, na Uncle we, na Obiduma, Uncle Sumbiduma. Mon came will be a munano, and yet the idea gets the Becan Obetie, and yet the Baduku Becan Obetie, and yet the Usup and Pabecan Obetie. Also been passing, that you gave him from my D4. Yet, sorry, IGP from my D4. IGP Mr. Also been paying new D4, Mr. In the first place. Now you gave him new D4. But you could be new D4. Man, Frewon. Who will be in a Juma? Any Ghana Marania Juma? Who will be in a Juma? Any Ghana Mara, any Juma? Ghana mrabe kano kore sin krofo mi nsan medasi tate mengabu abagba sani oba kweku mengabu fe menganye fe anyami men game asante men tumburumen me nganye fe oso bi aka no maka me pe ya se chiawu chiawu butu ya bunyawo